Good morning, traders. Zoran Kresovic here from Blueberry Trading Desk. Quite a negative session in US overnight with all three majors indices being down: S&P 500, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. The only sector that has actually outperformed and finished on a positive note is tech sector being up. So we could expect all that to spill over into ASX 200 open this morning as well. Right now we are just sitting down around 12 points on the open, or 0.14%. It looks like it's going to be a bit of a struggle. On a different note, we do have RBA interest rate decision today. We are highly unlikely to expect any changes to the interest rates. We anticipate for RBA to actually keep the rates unchanged at 3.6%, and it's more so in terms of the commentary around that and where we are heading into 2026. So with all the hawkish data that's been coming through, in terms of the Aussie economy, low unemployment, strong employment, quite a subdued, abrupt and strong wages as well as labor market, we anticipate, or the RBA is anticipating, potentially to change the stance and be a little bit more hawkish in terms of the commentary, and perhaps the markets are looking at 50-50 chance right now at a potential interest rate hike coming around May onwards in 2026. So that's a very, very different story to what we had a few months ago, when market was actually pricing at least 2 or 3 interest rate cuts in 2026. On a separate note, we've also got the Fed interest rate decision coming through as well on Thursday. We've got Bank of Canada interest rate decision as well. We anticipate Bank of Canada to keep the rates as they are on hold at 2.25%. whilst market is pricing a 25 basis point cut with Fed. That's an interesting one, because we're actually seeing the US Treasury yield starting to climb up again. So it will be interesting to see what the commentary from Fed comes through, and whether we actually see any dot plotting in 2026, whether we will continue the monetary cycle of easing and interest rate cuts, or whether this will change and perhaps this is the last one within the cycle.